ongete kuna munhu un'wana nga ku dilane na ti-artist ta Xitsonga spiritually. Kuna munhu un'wana so nga ri ha biwa ndhawu leyi. And no suspect swilo leswi, I'm just suspecting. Suspecta ku kuna munhu loyi a nga ku dilane na ti-artist ta Xitsonga spiritually. There's no way. Angalasa anga ta fika bati hit tena nyamalala. There's no way Kofina Cremora anga ta fika bati hit ku ciniwa ku va hot then gone anyamalala. There's no way you can have Trigger, Sleeker, Vashashasha, Russian Army. Vata va fika bati hit kunyakaziwa ku va busy. There's no way. All of a sudden vanyamalala. Hayi ku vanyamalala va famba hi nga ha va voni swa vusiku. No vula ku vanyamalala ka music ku va na shutdown, load shedding. It's called water reduction, level 6. Good G. There's no way, man. There's someone who's dealing with Tsonga Artist spiritually. And they look what Dilana Vona so Chigana Vona, she said. There's no way. I'm just suspecting. Maybe not, maybe. Vangon were affected, I don't know. Mara, there's no way. You can't have in America you will have artists like the back look Joe Thomas so you soon like I wanna know ku get Asha Raymond katlangi okuve for the next 5 to 10 years kuba na consistency swa humesa R Kelly, you know, when it's the time for Luther Vandross I dominate the market loku Thailand ndaku enanguta vo Judy Boucher, you know, vo Dolly Parton, Dobby Gray loku Thailand ndaku ni loku say Thailand ndaku I vanhu lava dominate the market. And it was like for a time period. South Africa, I mean, Ashgazen. Oh, munufika ba hiti anyamalala. Aba album anyamalala. I won't even talk about one lava vanga isiya lava vanga low. You know, you know, you can always suspect la kuna leswi nga famba na vusiku. Hello yiwa guys, loko mi vona itsamela matafuleni so kuri so hi le ku loyiweni. Hello yiwa guys. Mara venge hi loyi. Venge hi koti. But kuna someone who's dealing with this artist. Ngenjeli ku December 2022. That is why I'm talking about this video. That's why I'm in the video. Look, December 2022. Kute the artist ngena tipa like Shikaza Dance. The remix ku number 1. Ningoblavle va munhu, you know, those ones. Mara ti dominating tinsimu Papa Rolani, J John, Shama Combo featuring DJ Happy, Dominator. What is this? Kungena va DJ Gift. Everyone, not DJ Gift man. This guy wa like a board, everyone.
J John.
J John. Dominator. Station we are around to suck one young and wrong one about to cover hot 2022. Cover hot. Chinango for disseminated one of Papa Land. You know. I could be off, guys. I could be off. Never let the jump on this never man for a machauke. Turn around, you know. Come on. Then if it's a guri, so skunavan mamtakaru. I cover hot. I think one but mamtakaru run at some malembe.
Nekubango.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to carry the batangi man, maybe batangi papa and kubishan. I don't know.
Man the carrito. Papa Pin E.
Batangi papa pin. Landu pin na cards, yeah. So when artists let thing of katipa 2022 ku va hot. Then unwela ka leswi ni vulavulaka hi swona ku nga aloyana na liwa. Spiritually kuna someone who's dealing with this artist. However hard they can work va byela ku va la nghenelela ka music swa tika because loko u ba hit you get attacked. I don't know ku vanhu vo twa nga ri vanhu va ti artist music wa Xitsonga maybe va twa nga ri va ntlangu mali va endla mali guys it's sad, it's bad. Nguswi navela because you're not awule stage mara mali ya music ya Xitsonga a yi tikombi unless ri na connection leta ta mabindzu na vanhu va government loko endla ti-event ta ku rhamba, otherwise it's sad. So a ni swi tivi ku ri ku va ku ri moya wa njhani wa ku hi fanele attackana like this, you know. Sweswo ku na vanhu va mitakaro ku ri xi nga ba hit library King Celso, check him on Facebook. King Celso, one of the biggest producer. Loko hi famba na Aven lava producer leyi nga ta ni bela nyana risimu rin'we ra 1 ni la ku vulavula hi swilo loko ku xota switirhe tisaha man, you know. Famba na Celso, King Celso ni belly beat xitivandla. King Celso, that is the one la nga ba vanhu va mitakaro i King Celso. Chika na vanhu va mitakaro December leyi hinkwayo King Celso. No, u twa ku ve ri hayi very xipimbe nhamu, hayi guys come on. No guys, ku na munhu loyi a nga ku byelaneni na tinkambi ta Xitsonga spiritually. Loko u jika va ku xipimbenenge xipimbe voko, you know, va ku munhu loyi pfimbe tihlo out of the blue a nga endlangi nchumu wun'wana wa vanhu. All he did ku va a endla leswi a swi rhandzaka ende swa n'wi nyika mali, a ku na mali. So ku na munhu loyi a nga ku delaneni na hina guys. Loko hi vona topless like this hi loyiwile guys. Hi loyiwile. Hey ha loyiwa guys, yes. Loko hi tlela va hi gubudzela hi tipurapura hi tlela ka tika guys. And I feel like swilo swa swi nga relate ka munhu un'wana na un'wana ku ri loko ti zamanyana switsongo yana se wa loyiwa. Fuck off. Like stars mi nga titimeli.